We got something from the Hussle store, the Marathon store. We about to unbox it. We about to see. So let's see what's up in here. All right. My junk come in a bag like this, bro. In a bag like this. Look at that. Definitely keeping the Marathon bag. Ooh, look how nice that is. We got the Prolific shirt. Boy, you see that? Proud to pay. Prolific. Of course, we got the Marathon stamp on the back to let you know that it's real. That's how you know it's real. The Marathon clothing is on the back. We usually got something on the side of the shirt, but this time nothing came on the side of the shirt. But of course, we got the logo on the bottom right here. The Marathon underneath it. Run a lap. There we go, baby. Yeah, we're going to be unboxing some more stuff today, so stay tuned, stay prolific, stay up, tap in, and yeah. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. I got another package from the Marathon store. There you go. We about to unbox it. Let's see what's in this bad boy. We got one bag. We got two bags. Look at that. That's beautiful, ain't it? I love these Marathon bags. The last video that I did, the shirt came in a bag. Before, in the past, it haven't come in a bag, but you know, they stepping up their game, you feel me? And this outfit just dropped a couple of days ago. Look at that, Marathon. Look at that. Beautiful, ain't it? This time it didn't come with the Marathon logo on the back. But to let you know that it's real, it's going to come with this tag right here, to let you know that it's authentic. And of course, we got the logo on the bottom, like I said, the Marathon. Run a lap. So this shirt was about, I want to say $60. A little summertime outfit, you feel me? Then I got the short set with it. This is the first time I bought some shorts off of here. They feel a little heavy. But, oh, they are heavy, that's why. So these are shorts. You know, you got the little logo right here. You got the Marathon logo. You even got Run a Lap in there too. This is a small. Got the little pockets right here. Oh snap, they even got a hidden compartment of pockets. Oh shit. That's smart right there. That's a pocket, bro. That's a pocket within a pocket. It really is. It's a pocket. Like I said, it's a pocket right here. And it's a hidden compartment right here. That's smart. AF. That's smart as hell. Hell yeah. And they both deep. So I see why it was a little heavy now. That's the inside of it. Here's the other side right here. Other side does have a pocket as well. I see that the Marathon logo is not on the shorts, but they are right here. And like I said, of course, it comes with the tag. And you have the saying right here. So yeah, nice little summer something, you feel me? You know? There we go. I would either wear this with some Nike Cortezes, the all white Nike Cortezes that you see me with, or the some black Nike Cortezes. So these are the shorts right here. And this is the shirt to go with it. I like doing these unboxings. It's pretty cool. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and we out.